Situated on 3/4 of an acre with ample parking and a single detached garage, located just 10 minutes from Midland and minutes from Tiny Beach, as well as other public beaches. Hello, I'm Megan Patterson with the Jackie Jones team at RE/MAX Crosstown, and welcome to 1 Concession 15 East in Tiny. You'll love cooking in this bright kitchen with a wood-burning fireplace. And who wouldn't mind doing dishes with an endless view of fields?
If character is what you're looking for, then look no further than this 3-bedroom century home featuring 9-foot ceilings and spacious principal rooms. Rounding up the top floor, this functional hallway leads to 3 oversized bedrooms and a fully renovated full washroom. For more information on this listing or any of our other listings, please find us on all social media platforms or visit us on the web at joneshomes.ca.